In this video I am going to talk about how to create WBS. So I have BOQ here. You can see division 1 we have mobilization, division 2 concrete, and under the concrete we have blending concrete, footings, columns, grade beam and grade slab. After that I have masonry work, I have doors and windows, and I have finishing work, plaster, paint, ceramic tiles, skirting. Then I have earthwork. So we want to create the baseline schedule for this project. This is a small project. So first we will create the WBS for this one, and we should know from where work will be start and where it will be finished. So I come here. In the previous video we already created EPS and project. Now we are going to create WBS. We will go to the WBS, add project milestone, mobilization, procurement, after that we have shop drawing, after shop drawing, construction, after construction we have snag list, after snag list, demobilization and handover. Now I created my project WBS successfully. So you can see here the WBS is not seem like it is under the construction work. So if I want to create the phase 1 in construction, so I will put the name in the construction phase 1. Okay, I will change the format from the group and sort or from the yes. Now our phase 1 is under the construction, or I can put here substructure work. After substructure I can put superstructure, after that finishing work, then complete. So this WBS is created already for the provided POQ. Here in the activities you can see all WBS is mentioned. In the next video we will talk about how to create the activities.